te ka jeng tip naman tagi kepala kam kepala pelada ka SSA is Jantahil recruitment ajar sau ka post helper kadon arpotli te ngan page kan ka post kepala arpotrik match ajar stan ka SSA lani ka office jong ka district mission coordinator SSA is Jantahil district Riyadh ka code application naman ta ka post helper in pre-primary school on contract basis. Te kelas di submit kan deh ka stau tarik banai stau ada tan di post name bilang ni helper in pre-primary number of post katon upload link mata ka age limit kadai as the government norms nak ka salary kan deh tan aja sebenarnya nak ta ka essential qualification kan class 8 pass with your stau percentage sejrong but bakung tray but ki kena nangta kumno ban apply yakni ka post SSA mo ka apply da ka East Jantahil recruitment ajaran kepada ka helper te ki candidate ki balalong eligible ban apply yakni kin apply leng ba ka standard form along with self attested but kilaban attested yaki dokumen cobi kum ka SC lani SD certificate marksheet mark certificate residential certificate but ka experience certificate nama atli itu passport size but ka size but kontak number but email cobi then the certificate dokumen with document original products with the time of the interview thì ka periman ra ikne ka the original copy ani ki original document copy ka sini interview the application will be received in the office of the mission coordinator SSA is Jantahil district Riyadh te yakni ka application kilapan submit ka office jong ka district mission coordinator SSA is Jantahil district Riyadh during the polong pre kilaban le sumit polong pre haswai ka sawaji haka sau tarik April aja bulan te panonton slam boleh di